In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a video using Canva. If you're looking to add that extra dynamic touch to your Canva project, zooming in on video elements can be an excellent way to do so. Let's dive right into the process and enhance your video editing skills with Canva. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Canva. Once you're on the website, you'll need to either log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Canva offers a user-friendly platform that is incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage with a wide array of templates and design options at your disposal. Next, prepare your design file by selecting the correct template size for your project. If you already have a specific design you're working on, open that up. Otherwise, you might want to choose a blank template to start fresh. The key aspect to focus on for this tutorial is incorporating a video element into your project. Now, let's get to the fun part. In this video, I'm going to head straight to the Elements tab located on the left-hand side of Canva's interface. This section is your gateway to an extensive library of design enhancements offered by Canva. Scrolling down in the Elements tab, you will find the Videos section. This is where Canva has curated a selection of clips that add motion and vitality to any project. Find this section, and once you see the heading, you'll notice the option to See All. Click on it to explore Canva's complete collection of stock videos. Browse through this collection and select a video that fits your project's theme or aesthetic. Don't rush this step. You have a variety of videos at your fingertips, and picking the right one can significantly impact the storytelling of your design. Once you've made your choice, click on the video to add it to your design canvas. To achieve the zoom effect, you simply need to adjust the size of the video on the canvas. Click on one of the corners of the video frame and drag it outward to enlarge or inward to reduce, doing so carefully to maintain the video's aspect ratio. This simple yet effective technique allows you to focus on a specific area of the video, drawing attention to particular details or increasing the visual impact. And there you have it. That's how you zoom in on a video within Canva. This technique is a powerful tool for emphasizing parts of your clip and can truly elevate the overall feel of your project. Enjoy experimenting with it and see how it enhances your designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing.